So I wanted to introduce one of the first betta GloFishes. I just introduced her to her new tank and I am super excited. She is GloFish just announced a few days ago that they developed this version of the GloFish, which is a betta fish. So right now they come in this beautiful, I mean, it's my favorite color, this kind of yellowy orange color. Oop, she's getting feisty. So she's absolutely beautiful. And you know, betta fish, because they can thrive in tanks that are a little smaller, and I absolutely love this GloFish tank. It has a light on top here that you can just flip up, and then there's a glass piece, and the actual filtration system is behind it. So I got that along with the fish, and I just can't wait to see how she does. Oh, looks like she went and hid behind the seashell, and that's natural. Betta fish will do that. And she is just getting acclimated as well to her new environment. But she's real pretty. She's got some, her fins are black, and then she of course has the beautiful neon black light reflective coloring. So I'm sure GloFish, as they work on this genetic modification, that they will come up with other colors just like they have the tetra fish. But I love this tank. Right now I didn't put a lot of decor in it because I wanted you guys to be able to see her. And they also, I live in Atlanta here, and I found the one and only pet store in the Atlanta area that I could find that had them. And they told me that they had just gotten their shipment in, and I was the first one to actually purchase one of these guys. So they are brand new, and I love bettas, so I was absolutely thrilled about this. They also had some male bettas as well. So as you know, male bettas are going to have the more elaborate, I think that's going to be her new favorite spot back there. It's kind of like a little hideaway, like Princess Ariel, or at least Princess Ariel's sisters. Ariel's off gallivanting like I would probably be. But one misconception I want to clear up right away, because I care very much about animals, fish, whatever, anything, fur or not, is that these fish are not injected with dyes. They are not maltreated in any way at all. They aren't mishandled or modified when they're born in any way. This is actually something that was genetically modified in a lab. They created these fish. They took some elements from jellyfish that and utilized those genetic qualities in jellyfish that create that luminescence. So that's how you got it. And somehow now they've recently just done it to a betta fish. So I don't know anybody else who has one of these, and so I got super stoked when I heard about this today. So we'll see how she does. She was, I believe, PetSmart and Petco. I always get them confused, but I believe it was PetSmart, and she was, I believe, around $10. And the males were 20, and some of the males were even 30. And I figured, you know what, let's give this girl some star time. And I really like how she's really bright and then has that black fins. And of course, because I'm Katie Jo and jellyfish are my thing, I had to throw in jellyfish for there for her little aquarium. And how ironic is it too that she's like part of her genetic makeup is derived from jellyfish. So pretty friggin' sweet. I can't wait to see in the future what other colors and other varieties of glowing betta fish they can come up with. And one last thing, I'm just going to stand on my soapbox, is if you have a GloFish of any kind, right now I've got the blue light on just to show you guys, but please, 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 at night, make sure that you're turning off your lighting. These betta fish, just like people, they need to have a sleep-wake schedule. So I will turn it on with the blue light in the evening. And also it offers a blue and white light. It just gives it a little more brightness. But how would you like to have that shining on you all day? She's like, no. But the blue light is very cool. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. And I don't know how many other people have had the privilege of getting one of these. And then this is my other tank here. This is just a 5-gallon. I have a couple of GloFish in here as well. I got these yesterday. And these are tetras. So there is a yellow one similar in coloring to my betta fish that I just showed you. And then actually behind her, you can barely see her. She's a purple color, but she's kind of hiding back there. So, and then yes, very soon I'm getting the bug. I mean, these are 2 of 3 aquariums that I have purchased. I'm surprised at how relatively affordable this hobby is and how much fun it is, and how inspiring it is for me to have these here at my workstation, where I am making, you know, things that light up and glow in the dark and are all a lot of under the sea themed things. And as I look around my studio here, like there's a giant light up cloud. And we can pan over here. There's my light up jellyfish. So it just seemed fitting that here in my studio I have some more inspiration. Where'd she go? But anyway, just wanted to share that with you guys. I'm very, very, very excited. I love bettas, and I can't wait to see what other varieties they come up with in the future. Thanks for watching.